Hello guys. I'll teach you how to test your car's injectors. Easily and cheaply. Do it yourself. First you need to remove the injectors, so that they are visible and at the same time connected to the car. Watch the video and learn. I used my hands, just to feel the pressure from each injector. You should use a sheet of paper to see the range that each injector is making. Watch now in slow motion. These 4 injectors are in good health. Thanks for watching. If you liked, subscribe and share. See you in the next videos.